Hi everyone, we're going to go over some of the specifics of working with type on Franklin Printing's online print store. So within the template, you're going to want to highlight your text box and then click the edit. This will open up the text editing window. You'll notice some of these tools look familiar to Microsoft Word or some other programs you might be familiar with. So we can change the font. You are limited to the font family Helvetica. This is to keep your piece on brand and consistent with the artwork established by the University of Southern Maine Marketing and Brand Management Department. So you do have some options there, but they are fairly limited to keep everyone on brand and pieces looking consistent. You can change the size of your type. You can space it out a bit. Change the justification. And an Alt-8 will let you do a bullet list. Some other special characters can be copied in, but the Alt-8 is a shortcut that will give you a bullet list if you need to use one of those for your formatting. Okay, now you'll see here I've got this angry exclamation point. That means I've got more text than fits in this box. So we're just going to delete this photo to make more room for my text. So let's open that right up. And there, now everything fits. I also have preloaded some styles. We've got body text here and header text here, which it was already set with that for now. So let's actually look if we had a new text box. So here we'd be able to set the header and body text. So it allows you to match the consistency of the headers and the type with the rest of your piece if you add a new text box.